Hey YouTube, what's going on? Happy Saturday to you. Chris here. I want to bring you all an update on the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. And there's some important things going on with this Fear and Greed Index that I want to share with you. What I've been doing is just scanning articles, going through, looking at different things, kind of getting the sentiment on the market. And right now there's just a lot of fear going around. But I wanted to share one good positive thing that I'm seeing out of all this. And we'll dig into that, guys. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Appreciate y'all being here with me over the weekend. You know, this is when everyone's out running around, you guys are here with me, so I appreciate it. And for all the people who like and subscribe, I really appreciate you guys. So what we're seeing is extreme fear. This gauge that we have is from 0 to 100. And you can see the historical values. It says now extreme fear, yesterday fear, last week fear, last month fear. And it changes. The next update is going to be in about 12 hours and 9 minutes. But what I wanted to point out to you here, we're basically at the same levels we were. You can see this article here, Bitcoin Price Fear and Greed Index back to extreme fear, just like in December 2018, the lows. So the important thing that's happening here is we were at these levels when we were at $3,100. We're at these levels now and we're slightly above 10,000. So, you know, psychologically in all this, that's a higher low. And the fact that we can be this low and our price to be where it's at, that's a really good thing. And it's something that I'm, really positive about in the cryptocurrency space right now, because the more extreme this gets, guys, buyers will step back in and it's just going to keep pushing it the other direction. There's cycles, they're market cycles, and you're going to see it even in the psychology of all this, how it goes back and forth. So right now we're starting to get very low on this extreme fear. Can we get pushed even lower? Absolutely. But at some point here, we're going to see the next shift, and we're going to see us go back up and try to test around that $14,000 at some point here, see if we can get up above that, and then ultimately test the all-time highs. And then it says here, sentiment, history, crypto, fear, and greed over time. Here's a plot of our Fear and Greed Index over the last 365 days, where a value of 0 means extreme fear, while a value of 100 represents extreme greed. And this is a really good website, guys. It's alternative.me Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It's going to be important for us to look at this type of stuff as we look at the market and as we track price action. Why measure fear and greed? The crypto market behavior is very emotional. People tend to get greedy when the market is rising, which results in FOMO, fear of missing out. And have you ever felt that, guys? Do you get that? Because I've been there many of times. Like, you get that feeling. You're like, oh, I got to jump in. I got to hurry up or I'm really going to miss it. It's going to go to the moon this time. What I can tell you is, after being in this space for about 2 years now, you grow numb to it and you just realize, it is what it is. If you miss a move, you have to wait till the next one. You don't want to chase anything. You don't want to buy overextended prices on these cryptos, because as we see, they can retrace so hard and so fast. And you don't want to be caught holding that bag. It goes on to say, also, people often sell their coins in a rational reaction of seeing red numbers. With our Fear and Greed Index, we try to save you from your own emotional overreactions. There are two simple assumptions. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Therefore, we analyze the current sentiment of the Bitcoin market and crunch the numbers into a simple meter from 0 to 100. 0 means extreme fear, while 100 means extreme greed. So that's what I'm saying. We're at 20 right now, and we're still up above $10,000, guys. That's something to be proud of in this space. And as we saw what's going on with Bakkt and all the approvals there, could we dip down a little farther? Absolutely. But, at some point here, we're going to start swinging back to the upside, and it's going to change, and you're going to see that FOMO and everyone jumping back in. So, I just want to put this on your radar. We always do the charts and things like that, but, today I just wanted to really look at the emotional aspect of what's happening in the cryptocurrency space right now. So if you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Appreciate you all being here with me today, guys. God bless.